5 foods for healthy skin. Pollution. The sun and aging take a toll on your skin. So do stress and unhealthy lifestyle, none of which we can really escape. But there's something you can do to reverse the damage that has already been done to your skin and infuse it with a natural glow. And you can do it without sitting through expensive sessions at a beauty salon. All you have to do is change your diets. Number 1. Avocados. Your skin is soft and supple because it contains elastin and collagen. They give elasticity to your skin. But with age, your body produces less of these. That is why your skin starts losing elasticity. This is a natural part of the aging process, but avocados contain plenty of healthy fats, which can slow it down. Experiments show that healthy foods keep your skin taut and bouncy. Avocados also shield your skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Number 2. Fatty fishes. For people who do not have an issue with animal proteins, fatty fishes are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids boost your heart health. That means your blood circulation improves, which is imperative for healthy, dewy skin. Without these fatty acids, your skin may become flaky and dry. Number 3. Sweet potatoes and carrots. Both these vegetables are loaded with beta-carotene. Your body converts this essential antioxidant to vitamin A. Not only does beta-carotene and vitamin A keep your skin looking soft, but they also act as a natural sunblock. In addition to carrots and sweet potatoes, beta-carotene is found in other fruits and vegetables such as apricots, cantaloupe, mango, papaya, and pumpkin, and is responsible for their orange hue. Carrots are also high in magnesium, which helps to relax nerves and muscles. Poor sleep can be caused by a lack of magnesium, and obtaining adequate sleep is always beneficial to your skin. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. All kinds of nuts and seeds are friends to your skin. They contain fats and vitamin E that keep your skin hydrated and smooth. They prompt your body to produce collagen, which keeps your skin supple. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea flushes out toxic matter from your body and gives you clear and shining skin. It undoes the damage done to your skin by sun exposure and pollution. Yahoo! We did it. These are the foods to have a healthy skin. I hope you are going to like this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to never miss an update.